everyone. My name is Vadini. I'm from CSE department, RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about expert systems. Let's start with the introduction. An expert system is a computer-based application designed to stimulate the decision-making abilities of human expert in specific domain. It means that expert systems are specialized branch of artificial intelligence that aim to stimulate human expertise and decision making in specific domains. It is it uses artificial intelligence techniques to solve complex problems that typically require human expertise. Expert systems aim to emulate the reasoning process of experts to provide advice, diagnostics, and or decision support. Let's discuss about the key characteristics of the expert system. First one is domain specific, which includes to a particular field such as medical diagnostic, engineering, finance. Means which domain specific we are using this expert systems. And the knowledge driven, they rely on the knowledge base of facts and the rules derived from human experts. The third one is inference mechanism, which means that inference engine applies logical reasoning to the knowledge base to draw conclusions or solve problems. Interactive interface, which means users interact with the system through a user-friendly interface, often involves queries and explanations. There are some more characteristics which includes like user interface and user interface. This also allows user to interact with the system, input information and receive outputs. What are the components of an expert system? Means how they work, how the expert system work. And first one is knowledge base. It contains domain knowledge in the form of facts and rules, facts in the form of data, and rules in the form of if there is any logic between them. In a medical expert system, if it is an example, facts might include symptoms and rules might describe relations between symptoms and diagnosis. What it means, human experts provide information about the specific domain, which is then stored in the knowledge base. The second one is inference engine, which means that the reasoning component that applies rules to the knowledge base to deduce new information or solve problems. To get into further detail, when a user interacts with the system and asks a question or presents a problem, the inference engine uses the knowledge base and its reasoning capabilities to derive a solution. It is a solution based basically. The next one is user interface. It facilitates the communication between the user and the system. It allows the user to input data and query the system and receive explanations of the results. The fourth one is knowledge acquisition module, which includes helps to gather, validate, and refine the knowledge base, often through interaction with the domain experts. This is a basic detailing which we can see here in the expert system work. The user provides the input, typically a problem or a query. The system matches the input against its knowledge base using inference engine. Then rules are applied to infer possible conclusions or solutions. Then the last one is results are presented to the user, often with an explanation of how the solution being derived. This is it for the video. Do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.